Hi, my sweets. So today for reading, what I need you to do is I need you to take out your packet. We just did 4A for math. I want you to turn to the next page and you see a worm and some lines. So I want you to take that out and your pencil. Not anything else. No colors, just a pencil, okay? Go. All right, you should have your pencil out. I'm going to scoot you closer so you can see this here. Now, my sweets, you might be thinking, Mrs. Barsh, this doesn't look like reading. Well, practicing drawing slowly and neatly and writing lines is going to help us when we start writing our letters, and we're going to start that on Monday. You will get your reading book that comes home, and that you will keep, and we're going to work through pages every day, and you need to write so neatly. So this is going to help us because when we make letters, we're going to have to make different slanted lines, straight lines. We're going to have to do all of this. So this is actually for reading. My sweets, there is no name, or there is no room for you to write your name at the top. So what I want you to do is take your pencil. Please don't use a crayon. Please don't use a marker. Use a pencil. Write your name down here at the bottom by the number 18. Write your name down there at the bottom. Neatly. Go. Awesome. When you're done, park your pencil. All right, my sweets, what you're going to do is you are going to trace all of the lines, and the arrows show you how your pencil moves. So look up here at these lines that are going straight down. The arrow's pointing down. We will never, ever, ever, ever start at the bottom and write up. Never. We always go top to bottom. Say top to bottom. Good job. So we're always going to start at the top and trace down. These are going to look like number ones. Take your pencil. I want you to start at the top. Follow the arrow. Stay right on the lines. Trace down. If you go off, I want you to erase. Okay, so when your mommy sends me a picture, I want to see that all of your pencil stayed on the line. It's hard. I know you have to move slow. But as you do that, your brain will learn how to do that, and eventually you'll be able to do it faster and faster, and you'll be neater and neater. So I want you to start at the top, pull straight down carefully, and do all those lines at the top. If you go off, please erase. We always want to do our very best. Now the lines in the middle, the arrow is pointing to the right. So we are going to start over here on the left and draw it to the right. Start on the left, trace to the right. Start on the left, trace to the right. You're going to do that for all those lines. Please erase if you need to. If you were at school, I would actually thank you. I would say thank you to you for erasing. And I'd say, oh, Adelia or Caleb, they want to do such a good job. Look, they're erasing and redoing it. Or I'd say your name too. So if you make a mistake, it's okay to erase. Try to not make mistakes, right? But if you do it, just erase it and do it again. Now, for these slanted lines, the arrow is pointing down to the right. So you're going to start up at the top left and trace down, slanted to the right. Start at the top left, trace down to the right. You're going to trace all of those lines, slow and careful. Just like when your mom and dad and granny and papa and TT drive the car, they drive slow and careful. They stay on the road. Then you're going to do the lines that go right to bottom left, top right to bottom left. You're going to finish this. I'm not going to do this because now you know what to do. I want you to take your time and do your very best. Next week on Monday, you'll have an extra reading book in your next packet. You're going to bring me this packet, and then you'll come back to school. You're going to hand me this one. I'll give you the new one, and your reading book will be on the back there, and we're going to work in that every day. You have to watch my videos to do the work, okay? All right, you're going to finish this. Be very neat. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work, and I cannot wait to see each and every one of you. Mwah! I love you.